What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Crystal Palace. We're gonna head around the boardwalk, the yacht club, the beach club, the dolphin, see what we can find, see what we can buy, see what we can eat. Come join me. Also, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button right down below. We are about to go check out of the Swan Hotel. We had a really great staycation here at the Swan. This was my first time staying here and I really enjoyed it. Every time I check out of a hotel, I always think of that episode from Friends where Ross waits till like the last second and he grabs everything and the toilet paper. It's so funny. Guys, Brandon just told me he's not subscribed to my channel. Are you kidding me? You've been with me for 5 days and you're not subscribed to the Crystal Palace?
It's not true.
Oh my God. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, ring that bell. Okay, Brandon? Or else I'm never talking to you again. All right, off to the elevator we go. The Swan Hotel. It's been real. I would most definitely stay here again. I think the location just can't be beat. Being able to walk to Epcot and Hollywood Studios was absolutely so amazing. Have to pop in the store in the Swan, of course, before we leave. This is cute, actually. This 2021 Swan Globe. I like that. All right, I'm thinking of getting this in hat version, but I don't see it here. All right, they didn't have the hat I was looking for, but I have hope they will have it in the Dolphin gift shop. So in the Swan, we have kimonos and the Garden Grove right there. And right across is Il Mulino. This is interesting. So through June 11th, outdoor areas around the grotto pool are prepared to connect you to the newest hotel. Okay, so this is just preparing you that they're doing work here for the new Swan Reserve. Why are the squirrels in Florida so skinny? Look at this thing! Hi, buddy! You come right outside and you can go into the Dolphin, or you make a right and over this bridge is the boardwalk. Here in the Dolphin, to the left we have the fountain. To the right we have Todd English's Blue Zoo. Here is Shula's Steakhouse, and we are walking up to the main lobby here in the Dolphin. Leave boyfriend in lobby, go shopping. To the left of fuel, we have the Disney gift shop. This is really cute for kids, like a travel journal to write about everything you did on your Disney trip. We have some stuffed animals over here, some toys. All right, that was surprisingly one of the worst gift shops that I've been to. No offense to the Dolphin. But it's really small. I think the Swan's gift shop is actually better. But let's check out fuel now. All right, here's fuel. Oh, so they have like these pre-made bags of candy because of COVID. They have some chips and snacks here. Some beverages. All right, that's really kind of it here. It's all right, I guess. Just like good for morning, probably. Like similar to the one in the Swan. So this beer, the Fins and Fathers, Joey tried that beer in the Swan. He said it was all right. Just to do a quick little overview, here's the walking path to Epcot, walking path to Hollywood Studios. So right as we enter the boardwalk, to the right is the walking path to Hollywood Studios that we took on the first day. Make sure to check out that vlog if you haven't seen it already. Joey, honestly, are you alive and functioning?
My feet do feel a little bit better today now that I actually got some sleep.
Last night, when we got back from Magic Kingdom, I honestly thought Joey was like, just like dead. You were like a zombie.
My feet were pulsating. I was on my feet from 6:30 in the morning until 10.
So was I.
15. Okay, well you weigh half the weight that I do.
I practice walking too.
Yeah, sure.
All right, we mobile ordered from the Boardwalk Bakery. I got a parfait. This is Greek yogurt, actually. Honestly, the best parfait I had was at Animal Kingdom. It was surprisingly so good at Yak and Yeti. Joey got the everything bagel sandwich. Said it's okay.
Yeah, the egg's kind of like a hockey puck, but the bagel's good and the cheese is good.
I was actually wondering if they still do this. I don't know if they do this in COVID times, but I remember when I was little, we came here and did one of the double bench, single ride, one of the bikes. Oh, okay, so it looks like they do. So rentals run daily from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Shopping time, shopping time. Screen Door General Store in the Boardwalk. Let's go. They have all this candy from Goofy's. I really would get a shot glass, but that's just like not cute. What a cute mug. The Boardwalk. $22.99. That is really cute. Oh, here's my hat. Oh, should I get it? I don't know. I'm debating. I feel like every store I went into, I've looked at it and question mark. It's like, it's just so, what is this?
What?
Maybe I need to tighten it.
Yeah, I think.
They have these bakery treats. I'm gonna get that. It's so good. All right, the Boardwalk store. I got snacks. These are the little goldfish puffy cheese crackers, Chip and Dale Snack Company I got. I got this Rice Krispie Pop, these Mickey pretzels, so good. These are like the best. And the fudge, which I'm gonna eat now so it doesn't melt. This fudge is so good. Oh look, those are the bikes you got at the Boardwalk. Cool. All right, we are over here at the Yacht Club. Right here is the port to get on the Friendship boat. Straight across is the Boardwalk, and then the Swan and Dolphin right here. So they all connect. It's really nice to walk to. The Yacht Club is a gorgeous resort. Here we are at the Yacht Club. It's a really nice lobby. That's Ale and Compass Lounge. Nice. All right, here is the market at Ale and Compass. Oh, this is a nice photo album. I might get that. Oh, it's also a nice shot glass. All right, I think I'm gonna get that. I like this hat too. And that's a nice lounge glass. Huh, oh my god, I like everything here. This is a nice shirt. Nice and simple, Walt Disney World. Oh, I like this. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up. $50, but like, might need. This is the front. I don't really like the front. It's a little too like obnoxious for me, you know? Like that, why is that Mickey so big? They have some bougie clothes over here, men and women's. So I ended up getting the photo album and the shot glass. I liked the sweat jacket, but it was a little too bold for me. I like things that are more minimal and subtle. That Mickey head on the front, like, kind of creeps me out. All right, the market at the Yacht Club. I really liked that store. It's also connected to a food mobile order place. You can get breakfast. That was one of my favorite stores. Alright, so right here is the Ale and Compass restaurant. It looks really good. I definitely want to come back here and try this place out. Here's the Yacht Club pool. It looks like a fun pool. Alright, so now we're switching over to the beach club. And here's Beaches and Cream. I wanted to go here so badly, but it's so hard to get a reservation for. So Beaches and Cream just opened. It's 11:19. It opened at 11. And it's already an hour wait, like for the walk-up list. It's just like, it's crazy, man. I really like how the Yacht and Beach Club connect. Like you can kind of walk through these hallways and then just go outside a little bit. It's nice. All right, so here is the lobby of the Beach Club. Looks literally the same as very similar to the Yacht Club and also the Boardwalk, but it's nice in here. This is a nice little area to sit and eat, maybe. The solarium. It's right near the marketplace, which is our destination. It's so nice here. All right, here we go into the marketplace. All right, over here they have some food, breakfast, pre-made sandwiches. Oh, here's a mini version of the photo album I got. This one is $19.99. And then this is the actual photo album I got for $24.99. Not really a big price difference. I also think these mini backpacks are so cute. They're $15. They have this trivia. Not gonna lie, I have absolutely no idea any of the answers. So do you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, you do. What's the answers?
I don't know, I forget.
This is really cute. Disney's Beach Club Resort. I'm not sure what it is, to be honest with everybody here. $21. Maybe like a little like dish, trinket, bowl thing. That's cute though. Aw, every day is Sunday. That's cute. Magnet, 20. $12.99. Joey goes, all right, I'm gonna get this. And I'm like, do you even like it? And he's like, I don't know, it's not bad.
What's the problem?
I don't know, I'm just asking
It's
if you
good
like
for
it.
the whole family to share for a coffee mug. That way I don't have to buy gifts for everyone.
I mean, we have no choice but to stand. A smart shopper, honestly. This is a nice shirt, Beaches and Cream Soda Shop, $29.99. Oh, how cute are these? They're face masks. The princesses, Belle, Ariel, so cute, Evil Queen. Guys, this is so weird, but I've been craving this specific milk like for so long. I'm gonna get it. Oh my god, what cute cupcakes, $5.99. Oh my god, that looks amazing. All right, so I got a snack because I wasn't really happy with my breakfast, but I'm still hungry. So I got Uncrustables. I literally love Uncrustables. And it came with two sides. So I got grapes and carrots. And I got this Mickey Milk. I'm so excited. It's just so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the videos, the vlogs. And I brought some Disney magic because that's why I vlog. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, ring that bell so you get notified every time I post a new vlog. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for some fun things coming up. Peace. Looks like over here at the Yacht Club, there's fishing excursions and boat. Looks like over here at the Yacht Club, there are fishing fishing excursions and boat rentals. There we go.